Hello students, now we will go through with LP4 of 25th block, helping those who cannot see. Aim of the LP4 is to recognize how Braille is useful tool for communication with those who are blind. So students, the keywords are Braille. In this lesson we will discuss how a blind people, how they recognize the words, right? How they able to write, read, these all things we will discuss. The keyword is Braille. So students, now we can see the alphabets, we can see the words, and we can read, right? And we understand the things. But what about the those people who are unable to see? How they recognize the words? How they read? So do you know that there is a Braille language is there, ma? Through this, okay, this is a made specially for the blind people. This is an alphabet Braille, okay. In this you can see the alphabets are there, okay. So when it is actually it is named after the Louis Braille, okay. He is a person, right? He is a person who invented this language, okay, this method of reading, so that the blind people can also study. When he became blind, he made this alphabet to help the blind people to read and write, okay. So now all of you open your LP S4 page number 48, right? Today's date, ma. Here, helping those who cannot see. Answer the question using Braille dots, okay. This here you can see there are the dots, okay. The pattern you can see. A means you can see six six round circles are there. In that, one means one circle is black, filled with black one, that will be A, okay. Next one, B means you can see two dots, that is B. Second one, C means it is horizontal one, not vertical, and the horizontal you can see two black dots. So these are like raised dots will be there, okay. After touching those dots, they feel that word and they can identify it, okay. So now using these dots, you may want to ask anyone, any your parents, right? You can take the parents also, and you have to discuss this language or these alphabets, we can say, okay. These alphabets you have to discuss, and you have to this activity you have to complete with your parents or your sister, your brother, right? Here you can see what is the name of our country. So what is the name? Already they have given India, INDIA. Once again you check, okay. Next one you have to go through your name. Your name, what is your name? Example, Sangeeta, okay. So yes, where is the S? You have to search, and you have to same like that, you have to write full letters, okay, full alphabets you have to write, okay. Next, go through with your mother name and your favorite subject and your favorite hobby. So what you do, ma'am, you take this activity along, you have to do with along your parents, okay, and you have to tell them about the Braille alphabet also, okay, so that you can they also come to know what is actually Braille language, fine. So this activity you finish up. So moving to again, so you can see the raised dots will be like this, not in the blank color, but they are like this raised one, so that they will come to understand, they will feel that word. You can see in the picture, they feel that word, they touch it, they feel, and they will recognize that alphabet. Like this they used to, they are studying, okay, they are studying. Now close your eyes, and you can make the dots also using that stickers which we use bindis, like that you can make the dots, and you can use it, and you can recognize, or you can take your any brother, sister, fold, tell them to close their eyes, and they have to recognize the words, like that you can do that one. So what was the difference between touching the plain sheet and the one which is the raised dots, okay. The raised dots you can recognize the words. It are you feeling this is a plain sheet? No, these are the raised dots, you can see. So like this they use, they touch and they feel and they recognize the letters. Here also you can see how they have done. Only one, it will be A. If two vertical, it will be B. Like this they have they used to feel the letters and they will use in the education, right? So braille has the raised dots in the small blocks, okay, like this, which is given in your sheet. Like this, it is a plain blocks. In a small blocks they have raised dots. Each block stands for a letter or a number. The number of dots and the how they are arranged in these blocks make them different, right or not, from one another. So what the blind people feel, those dots with their finger, and they understand that the dots are simpler and easier to read from left to right. Okay, how they will read that, how they will touch from left to right direction. Just as a script is simpler than symbol, right or not, pictures for us to see and understand. If anything is written, we are very clearly we will understand. If a picture is given, if a symbol is given, we will concentrate more, right? So how is the communicating with those who cannot see different from those who can speak and hear? So how we will, ma? So what the blind people or means who are unable to hear now, how they will, they use this sign language. Okay, like you are here, you can see sign language. They have this sign language, they will go through with those sign language, right? And because they can see, right or not, they can see but unable to speak, unable to hear, so they will go through with sign language. So here you can see some of these signs and sign languages, how they will read A, B, C, D, like this they use. Okay, as they are able to see, so they will go like that. But the people who are unable to see, they will go through with the braille alphabets. Okay, this is about the, see how we are very gifted that we are having the eyes. So take care of your eyes also, right? So now complete this activity and please involve your parents or any family members in this activity. Stay home, stay safe. Here we completed all 25 blocks.